know how much you could be able to make in the market, because you are trading your own money in the foreign exchange market. So you put your money in and then you invest and allow it to, you know, grow over time, you know, whether that's in a couple hours, couple days, couple months. It's all up to you. You put your money in and you let the market do what it do. But it's important to, actually know how much you want to gain and lose. So that's based off your lot size in pips. This is like whenever you start trading, because this is going to be how you make your money. You know, just like you count change when you go pay for stuff, you know, and, you know, this takes this much to pay for this. I get this much back. It's the same way in the market. So I just want to go over that right quick. So basically, say if you have, you can invest with as low as $10. So when I first started, I put $50 into my account. So basically the only lot size that I can work with would be a micro. That's the smallest lot size you can work with. Pip is worth 10 cents, right? So 0.01 is what it would look like whenever you enter the trade, whether it's going for a buy or a sell, you'll see it. And then humans walking step moves in pips. So each tick as price goes up or down, your it's gonna be worth 10 cents. So say I caught 190 pips this morning, then this would apply to all the lot sizes that I'm about to show you right now. So basically, if you were to put a 0.01 on the trade, that means it would be equal to 10 cents per pip. So if you caught 190 pips, you would simply multiply your 10 cents times the 190 pips, and that would mean you would make $19. That means you could have made $19 off that one trade, right? So say you have a little bit more to put in your account and you're working with like $100 to $300 account, right? And you want to enter a trade and multiply your money to simply make some money, right? So then that's when you can start putting a mini lot size on there, right? So that means it would look like a 0.10. So that means, like I said, everything is times 10 in the market. So that means you would basically be putting $1 on a trade, right? So each per pip that it goes up or down, it will be equal $1. So say if you caught 190 pips, just for an example, you would take $1, multiply it times 190 pips that you caught, and then that would mean you could have made $190 off that trade. And this is not including like maximizing your profits where you enter in like multiple times at the same lot size. You know, that means you could have made more, right? So say if you have $100 to $300 account, that's exactly what you would be working with, which would be the mini lot size. So moving down to the last one, this is the most you could put on a trade. This would mean $10, so it will look like 1.00 whenever you enter the trade. And so say you caught the same 190 pips. This is for my people that have like 1,000 and up account. This is what you can work with. So you, the more you have, the more you can see a return on your investment, right? So you would be putting 1.00, that's your lot size, and say you caught the same 190 pips as these other people up here who had less in their account. You could have simply just put, it would simply be $10 times 190 pips, and you could have made $1,900. You could have made $1,900 in your pocket. For this money from the MT4 app back to your broker, and then from your broker, do a Bitcoin transaction to your account, and it goes wire transaction, just like we wire money, you know, the savings. It works the same way, guys. It works the same way. So this is just an example today of, you know, lot sizes and pips and how much you could gain on a trade or lose on a trade. And yeah, I hope this helps everyone. I hope this makes everyone a little bit more simpler and understand kind of what a pip is and how much you can make in the market, because it's happening every day. A part of an investment group called Trade House. I was able to secure a team now, so I do have my own business called Lavish Pips. It is where I teach individuals just like you who are interested in trading. You come in and you're under my leadership and my mentorship, and I simply guide you and direct you, you know, help you out so you get the most out of this experience. Like I said, Trade House has partnered with I Am Mastery Academy. That's the educational platform that we learn this on. Simply like you go to school to be a Lash Tech, you have to take a certification and be certified to show and prove that you know. This works the same way. Just like when you apply for a job, you have to go through 2 weeks of training. Works the same way. You have to be able to prove that you know what you're doing. Show someone else. So that's all we do here. I teach what I've been taught to other people, and I help them elevate and as well. So if this is something you're interested in, you could definitely shoot me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, or put in the comment below, or you can email me. I'll leave my email as well, and you can contact me and we could get on a one-on-one call. I could go over everything that you kind of need to know, and we could get you started. There is a free informational about what I do tonight at 7:30 p.m. So if that's something that you're interested in as well, we can definitely get you on there. You're not signing up for anything, you're just listening. And I feel like this is $1 million information. Like, everybody should know this, that you can make money from your phone.